In Australia, we're very, very lucky and have an abundance of sunlight. So what we're trying to do is really encourage customers to harness that natural resource. By putting solar on your rooftop during the day when the sun's shining, that solar will capture that solar energy and convert that into energy they can use in their homes.
In regards to solar and batteries, can you tell me about some of the key factors?
Firstly, budget's always a number one question for customers. They want to know their return on investment. They want to know how much they're getting their bang for their buck as part of the electrification journey. But for me personally, I think it's really important to understand what are your actual energy needs, what are your consumption habits as well, what rooftop space they might have available for a solar installation.
How can they optimise their energy use when they have solar and or a battery?
Now, I would really encourage customers to think about how they can load shift. So what that means is turning on the AC, a dishwasher or a washing machine during those daylight hours. So you're actually relying less on the grid and more on your own solar energy and become a little bit more self-sufficient.
Can you help me now understand the advantages of pairing the right size battery for the average home?
So rather than exporting energy back into the grid, what you can do is store that excess solar energy generated into a battery, which you can then draw down from in those early evenings or during overcast days when you're not actually producing any solar energy. So it's a great combination, and it's definitely one way to become much more self-sufficient and also energy resilient.